Hi, welcome back to my channel Skill Set Go. In this video, we will learn how to declare a class in Kotlin and how to get or instantiate an object of that class and access the class. So let's create a Kotlin file first, a new Kotlin file. Let's name it class demo. So the main entry point of the Kotlin program is to have a main function main, which takes arguments as array of strings. So we have created a main function and let's create a class. Creating a class is like same as in Java, but only the difference is a syntax. In this video, we will just create a simple class with one variable, member variable inside, and we will create an object of it. The simple class is just name class and class name. Let's name it demo class and do this, and inside this we will write class body. So for just demo purpose, let's have a one member variable. So now you already know how to declare a variables. We can use an access specifier and we have to use either var or val and give a variable name as name, and initialize the name. Let's name it my channel Skill Set Go. So in Kotlin, we no need to explicitly specify what is the data type of this name variable. If you want to do it explicitly, then we can declare it as like this and declare a method which will return this name variable. So the syntax is different. For method, we will start with fun and the method name. Just name it get name. So here we have to mention a return type. So in Kotlin, we will specify at the end of the function with colon. So the return type is string. So inside this, we will directly return name. So that's it. We have created a class with one member variable and with one function which will return a string. And this can be accessed from outside. As we doesn't specify any access specifier, this is a not private. If you want to make it private, then we can have any access specifier here. So for now, we'll keep it public. So now we have created a class. Let's create an object of it. So for creating an object in Java, we will use a new keyword, but here we no need to use a new keyword. So just declare val instance 1 equal to, and just give a class name. Class name is demo class. As we don't have any constructors here, we are creating using the empty constructor. We will learn what are the constructors in Kotlin in future videos. So in this video, we just see how to create an instance of the class. So and now as we have created an instance of class, we can use this function to get the name. So directly print the value here, instance 1 dot get name. So now as output of the program, we need to get output as skill set go. Let's execute this program. So as you can see, we have got the expected output skill set go. So this is the simple class how to will declare in Kotlin language, and this is how we will instantiate the object of the class. I hope you like this video and understood how to create a simple class and object of it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.